Hi everyone, welcome to Moneyway TV, where we turn small ideas into big profit. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn just 70k into over 300k by selling a simple, effective shea butter lotion. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, student or hustler looking for an extra stream of income, this is for you. Let's dive in.
So let's dive in. We are going to be using our digital scale, stearic acid, emulsifying wax, that's e-wax, cetyl, beeswax, oil color yellow, paraffin oil, dissolved shea butter oil, tea, perfume, pine oil, so firstly we are going to make sure we measure all the raw materials that we are going to be adding. For this purpose I am using 125 gram, that's 1/8, and after that we pour all the 4 ingredients into a stainless steel bowl, which we will be using for the boiling of the 4 raw materials together. We place it on our gas stove and start the boiling. We are going to be waiting for it to dissolve evenly, completely. So I even allowed it to boil, and now off the heat. Everything have been dissolved together. We now add our oil color, yellow for this purpose, yellow oil color, and mix thoroughly, mix evenly. So we pour it into the mixing bucket, mixing bowl, where we will mix everything and add water, a little water, mix thoroughly. Then we are now going to be introducing the tea. Pour a little tea into it, and you find out that this liquid will now turn solid because of this tea. Watch closely. Watch closely. Have you seen it? It's turned to solid. So this solid now allows us to now pour water into it to our desired taste. We want to do cream. Now add it such that it will still be tea. And if you want to do lotion, you add more, kind of water, because lotion used to be kind of water. So this is the miracle, this is the game changer, the tea. Literally, the mixture I bought down from the stove was about a total of about 3 liters. 3 liters. It's not even up to 5 liters that we poured into this bucket. But now, after adding that tea, and it has become solid, before we will get it back to a normal cream or lotion, we are going to be achieving about 60 liters. So from 5 liters, we'll be getting 50 liters. Make sure you mix very well so that there won't be any lump. If there is lump, it is still removable by using your blender. If you have blender, so electric blender, you can use it to blend this cream, and it will be very, very fine. You will not find any bump or lump in it. Okay, so the miracle, the game changer is like a miracle for you to turn the 5 liter cream or lotion into 60 liters. Do you understand? So this is where your 50k will turn into about 300k. Based on my own formulation and my own pricing, this is what it will give me. If you join me in my training, I can give you the training such that you will package it very well to give you 300 or even above, depending on your target audience, depending on your market. You get target market, then you can even sell it more than 300k. You understand? So, but the game changer, the miracle is how you will turn that 5 liters of the cream into 60 liters. 5 liters, that is over 300%. Gain. You are just locking in gain, profit. So if you want to learn this, join my online training class and I will dish out every information you need to know, well detailed information. Okay, my number is on the screen. You can DM me on WhatsApp and I will give you the training you need to excel today. Now we are going to be adding our aloe vera, our shea butter, dissolved shea butter. You know, shea butter used to come in lumps, solid form, under room temperature and pressure. But due to I have melted it because of this production, you now see it in a liquid form. So I've poured it in and I'm turning it so that everything will blend very well. So after this point, we add our pine oil and perfume. So you know, on this video I don't want to make it lengthy, so I've been editing it. Now I'm filling it into the bottle. As you can see, I don't want to carry you along filling the process, so this is why I edited it to this extent. So if you want to see the full version, the full video, you order for a training. And I will give you the full training. Okay, we are only doing this thing for you to see that it is possible from your room, from your parlor, from your home, for moms that are at home, for students, for hustlers that want to have a side hustle or even take it into a full-scale business. You order for the training. I have all the courses. Just DM me on my WhatsApp and you will get a training. Very cheap, because I'm here for good. I'm here to empower people. I'm here to make people feel this economy. I'm here to make people have options. They will not depend on what our government is doing, because they are trying to impoverish everybody. So with this simple act, you can start selling cream, making cream, and you will see this product go viral. If you look around you, you will be seeing this type of product in the market. This is how to do it. Okay? plastics, you can get them in the market. If you don't know how to get it, maybe you are far away, you can order for it and we will send it to you. We have different types of plastics, fancy plastics, foreign and locally produced, that you can use. They are all available in the market. You see, I am now tamper-proofing it. We tamper-proof it so that it will give it the authenticity. Authenticate it. When people buy it, they will feel that originality. They will tear off the nylon on the lid before they can open it. This makes your product original. I'm now using my heating gun to seal it up. You can also find a video about this. I did a separate video where, like I told you, I am editing this particular video so that it will not be too long. I have done this type of video in another. It will be showing on your screen. You will see it on your screen popping out. You can follow that video link and watch fully how to do it. So we are now shrink wrapping. This is the final packaging. We are shrink wrapping it in six in a pack. You can do your own 3 in a pack. You can make it 12 in a pack. It depends on how you want it, but I want 6 to be in my own pack, and this is what I'm achieving. I'm encouraging you to start your own business today. You can start it from your home. It is not against NAFDAC. That is why we call it handmade. NAFDAC recognizes the fact that you can start your production from your home. Start from home and even get your NAFDAC number. It's possible. If you want, you DM me and I will give you details. Enroll for training. I don't charge much. So we are almost coming to the end of the video. I hope you got value from all you have watched. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much and God bless you. Don't forget to like and share to the like minds.